Japanese bikes are under attack by Chinese masterpieces. They've manufactured motorcycles that beat the Japanese on every front, from power to jaw-dropping prices that shatter everything you knew. Let's investigate the 15 Chinese motorcycles that will beat all Japanese brands at once. We're starting our countdown at number 15, with a bike that's redefining what you can expect from a small displacement adventure machine. The Zontes 310T packs a 312 CCC single-cylinder engine, producing 34 horsepower and 30 Newton-meters of torque. But here's where it gets interesting. This bike comes with keyless ignition, electronically adjustable windscreen, and multiple ride modes including Sport, Eco, and Rain settings. Features you'd typically find on bikes costing twice as much. The electronic windscreen adjustment alone would cost you over $800 as an aftermarket accessory on a Japanese bike, yet Zontes includes it as standard equipment. The keyless ignition system uses advanced RFID technology with backup key options, while the ride modes actually change engine mapping, throttle response, and ABS intervention levels, not just dashboard graphics like some competitors. The fuel injection system delivers crisp throttle response while maintaining excellent fuel economy at 28 kilometers per liter. The 15-liter fuel tank provides an impressive range for weekend adventures. The bike's lightweight construction at just 165 kilograms makes it incredibly manageable for both new and experienced riders, while the 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels provide excellent stability on various terrain types. Number 14 just blew the doors off Honda and Kawasaki's entry bikes. If adventure tech was the warm-up, this speed demon just rewrote the rules. The CF Moto 300 SR proves that entry-level sport bikes don't have to be basic or boring. This 292cc single-cylinder produces 28 horsepower and 25 Newton-meters of torque through a sophisticated liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine with excellent high-rev performance. But it's the technology that'll blow your mind. You get a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, ride-by-wire throttle for precise control, and sharp fairings that look like they belong on a superbike. The smartphone connectivity isn't just Bluetooth audio, it's full integration with navigation, call handling, and even social media notifications displayed on the TFT screen. The ride-by-wire throttle system provides 3 distinct throttle maps: Sport for aggressive response, Standard for daily riding, and Rain for maximum control in slippery conditions. This level of electronic sophistication typically requires spending $8,000 or more on a Japanese sports bike. The chassis features a lightweight steel frame with 37mm upside-down forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. Braking comes from a 292mm front disc with 4-piston caliper and dual-channel ABS. The aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for show. It actually improves high-speed stability and fuel efficiency. Additional features include full LED lighting, a USB charging port, and multiple riding modes. Compare this to Yamaha's R3 with its basic LCD display and conventional throttle, or Kawasaki's Ninja 300 with outdated technology, and you'll see the 300 SR is already living in the next generation of motorcycle technology. Sliding into number 13, sport bike performance was forgettable until this retro beauty showed up and wrecked Yamaha's design team overnight. And it's only getting started. The Vogue 300 AC proves that style doesn't have to cost a fortune. This 292cc single-cylinder produces 29 horsepower and 25 Newton-meters of torque through a modern liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine wrapped in gorgeous neo-retro styling that rivals anything from Honda or Yamaha. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the classic round LED headlight to the beautifully crafted fuel tank and premium paint finish. The paint quality on the Vogue 300 AC uses a 7-layer process with a UV-resistant clear coat that maintains its finish longer than many premium Japanese bikes. The LED headlight features a distinctive daytime running light signature that's become instantly recognizable, while the fuel tank is hand-welded with seamless construction that eliminates the visible seam lines found on mass-produced Japanese tanks. You get full LED lighting throughout, Bosch dual-channel ABS with front and rear disc brakes, and a crisp digital display that perfectly complements the retro aesthetic. The upside-down front forks and rear monoshock provide excellent handling, while the comfortable seat and upright riding position make it perfect for city commuting. The 12-liter fuel tank delivers excellent range with fuel consumption around 30 kilometers per liter, when Honda's CB300R costs significantly more for similar performance and basic features. The Vogue 300 AC makes you wonder what you're really paying for with that Japanese badge. Crashing in at number 12 is a Chinese bike that is causing massive chaos in the market, and you won't believe for what reason. The QJ Motor SRK 400 brings a serious attitude to the middleweight naked bike segment. Its 400cc inline twin produces 41 horsepower and 37 Newton-meters of torque through a sophisticated double overhead cam design with excellent mid-range power delivery. The aggressive naked styling features sharp lines, muscular fuel tank design, and exposed frame elements that scream performance. The exposed frame isn't just for aesthetics. It's a precision-welded steel trellis design that provides 15% more torsional rigidity than comparable Japanese frames while weighing 8 kilograms less. The fuel tank design incorporates knee grips molded directly into the tank surface, providing better rider connection during aggressive cornering. The DOHC engine features gear-driven camshafts instead of chains, reducing maintenance requirements and improving long-term reliability. The chassis uses a steel trellis frame for optimal rigidity and handling precision. Suspension consists of 41mm upside-down forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. Braking power comes from 320mm front discs with 4-piston calipers and Bosch dual-channel ABS. The full-color TFT display shows all vital information, including gear position, fuel consumption, and maintenance intervals. While Kawasaki's Z400 and Yamaha's MT-03 command premium prices for basic specifications, the SRK 400 offers similar performance with more aggressive styling, better components, and superior value. But wait until you see number 11, which is a sports tourer just made to make Kawasaki executives cry themselves to sleep. The Lifan KPT 400 proves that Chinese manufacturers understand what riders actually want. This 400cc parallel twin produces 42 horsepower and 35 Newton-meters of torque through a sophisticated double overhead cam design with 4 valves per cylinder. The aerodynamic bodywork isn't just for show. It actually reduces wind fatigue during long rides with carefully sculpted fairings that channel airflow efficiently. Wind tunnel testing revealed the KPT 400's fairing design reduces wind pressure on the rider's chest by 23%, compared to Kawasaki's Ninja 400, while the carefully shaped windscreen creates a clean air pocket around the helmet. The 4-valve cylinder head design with dual overhead cams allows for more aggressive cam profiles, resulting in broader power delivery and better fuel efficiency than comparable Japanese twins. You get comfortable ergonomics designed for extended touring, Bosch dual-channel ABS for maximum safety, and a comprehensive digital display showing gear position, fuel consumption, and trip data. The suspension features adjustable preload, and the braking system uses 300mm front discs with radial mount calipers. Compare this to Honda's CBR 500R at nearly double the price of Kawasaki's Ninja 400 that charges extra for basic comfort features, and you'll find the KPT 400 offers superior value with comparable performance. If you thought sport touring was strong, wait until this mid-sized monster at number 10 flips the game. Chinese bikes are running circles around their Japanese rivals. Here's a bike that understands what adventure riding is really about, going the distance without breaking the bank. Zongshen RX-3S features a 378cc parallel twin producing 36 horsepower and 35 Newton-meters of torque through a liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine that's built for reliability. But the real star is that massive 20-liter fuel tank providing over 400 kilometers of range. That 400-kilometer range isn't theoretical. It's real-world tested across varied terrain, including highway, city, and off-road conditions. The fuel tank design incorporates internal baffles to prevent fuel slosh during aggressive off-road riding, while the low center of gravity maintains excellent handling balance, even when fully loaded. The parallel twin engine uses a 270-degree firing order that provides better traction in loose terrain compared to traditional 360-degree twins. The steel frame is designed for durability with a 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel for optimal on-road and light off-road performance. Ground clearance sits at 180 millimeters, higher than many bikes in this class. The suspension offers 120 millimeters of travel front and rear, while the seat height of 800 millimeters makes it accessible for most riders. While Honda's CB500X costs significantly more with its smaller 17.3-liter tank, and Kawasaki's Versys 650 nickels and dimes for basic features, the RX-3S comes standard with dual-channel ABS and a comprehensive digital panel. Adventure tech was evolving fast, but this beast tore past the competition, earning the top spot at number 9 on our countdown. Now we're getting serious. The Cove 500X isn't just another adventure bike. It's built by a company with actual rally racing heritage and Dakar rally experience. This 471cc parallel twin produces 47 horsepower and 43 newton-meters of torque through a proven liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine designed for extreme conditions. Cove's Dakar rally experience shows in every component choice. The engine features reinforced internal components tested in the world's most demanding rally conditions, while the cooling system uses oversized radiators and high-flow water pumps designed to handle extreme desert heat. The rally-proven engine mapping provides optimal power delivery in sand, rocks, and high-altitude conditions where many adventure bikes struggle. The adventure-focused chassis features long-travel WP suspension with 200 millimeters of travel front and rear, spoked wheels for durability, and serious ground clearance of 220 millimeters. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels are wrapped in knobby tires, ready for serious off-road work. Additional features include a bash plate, handguards, and a rally-style navigation tower. While Honda's CB500X plays it safe with road-focused components and limited off-road capability, the 500X is designed for riders who actually want to leave the pavement behind. Rally tech was fierce, but this parts-loaded beast at number 8 unleashed the largest Japanese motorcycle recall ever, and most riders have no idea why. The Vogue 500DS shows what happens when you don't compromise on components or build quality. This 471cc parallel twin produces 47 horsepower and 42.5 newton-meters of torque through a refined liquid-cooled engine with excellent fuel efficiency and smooth power delivery. The bike comes loaded with premium KYB suspension, offering excellent damping and adjustability, Nissan brakes for consistent stopping power, and Bosch EFI for precise fuel delivery. The component selection reads like a premium European bike parts catalog. KYB suspension units are the same specification used on bikes costing twice as much, with fully adjustable compression and rebound damping. Nissan brake calipers feature radial mounting and stainless steel pistons for consistent feel and fade resistance. The Bosch EFI system includes adaptive fuel mapping that automatically adjusts for altitude, temperature, and fuel quality. Technology typically reserved for premium adventure bikes. The adventure-focused design includes an adjustable windscreen with tool-free adjustment, a generous 17-liter fuel tank for extended range, and comfortable ergonomics designed for all-day riding. Additional premium features include full LED lighting, a comprehensive digital display, handguards, and engine protection. Build quality rivals bikes costing twice as much with attention to detail in paint finish, component selection, and assembly quality. Number 7 is where it gets wild. Premium tech was the gold standard until this Italian hybrid dropped. Now Japanese engineers are whispering about patent theft, and you're about to see why. Benelli Leoncino 500 combines authentic Italian design heritage with efficient Chinese manufacturing. This 500cc parallel twin produces 47 horsepower and 46 newton-meters of torque through Benelli's proven liquid-cooled engine with excellent mid-range power characteristics, perfect for the scrambler riding style. The Italian design heritage isn't marketing fluff. Benelli's design team in Pesaro, Italy, created the Leoncino's styling using the same design philosophy that created legendary Benelli motorcycles of the 1960s and 70s. The Chinese manufacturing partnership allows this authentic Italian design to be produced with modern quality control and efficiency, resulting in better build quality than many bikes assembled in Italy while maintaining the distinctive Benelli character. The steel trellis frame provides excellent rigidity and classic Italian styling, while the 50mm upside-down forks and preload adjustable rear monoshock deliver excellent handling on both pavement and light off-road terrain. The classic round LED headlight, sculpted fuel tank, and high-mounted exhaust create authentic scrambler aesthetics. Braking comes from Brembo components with dual 320mm front discs and dual-channel ABS, while Yamaha's XSR 700 and Honda's CB650R command premium prices for retro styling with basic components. The Leoncino 500 delivers authentic Italian design heritage and premium components at Chinese pricing. At number 6, Japan's in panic mode. This V-twin just broke the rules, and the damage is already done unless they act now. QJ Motor SRV 550 brings something special that Japanese manufacturers have largely abandoned: a real V-twin engine with authentic cruiser character. This 554cc V-twin produces 47 horsepower and 50 Nm of torque, with that distinctive rumble and torque delivery that parallel twins simply cannot replicate. The engine features liquid cooling, fuel injection, and sophisticated engine management for reliability. The V-twin configuration uses a 60-degree angle that provides perfect primary balance while maintaining the distinctive V-twin sound and feel. Japanese manufacturers abandoned V-twins in this displacement range because they're more expensive to manufacture. But QJ Motors' production scale allows them to offer genuine V-twin character at parallel twin pricing. The engine features gear-driven balance shafts and a sophisticated engine management system that optimizes fuel delivery for both cylinders independently, resulting in smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency than traditional V-twins. The bobber styling is executed beautifully with a low-slung profile, minimalist design, and classic proportions. The steel frame provides excellent rigidity, while the inverted front forks and rear monoshock deliver surprisingly good handling. Modern touches include a full-color TFT display, LED lighting throughout, and dual-channel ABS for safety. While Honda's Rebel 500 uses a parallel twin that sounds like a sewing machine and charges premium prices, the SRV 550 gives you genuine V-twin character and superior styling at entry-level pricing. At number 5, the game changes forever. The V-twin's reign is over. This four-cylinder monster just blindsided Japanese engineers. The Kolov 450R features something almost extinct in the middleweight class: a genuine four-cylinder engine that screams to an incredible 16,000 RPM redline. This 442cc inline-4 produces 71 horsepower and 39.3 Nm of torque, with the kind of high-rev performance that made motorcycles legendary. The 16,000 RPM redline isn't just a number. This engine maintains strong power production all the way to redline, unlike many high-revving engines that fall flat in the final 2,000 RPM. The inline-4 configuration uses individual throttle bodies for each cylinder, providing instantaneous throttle response that rivals Moto GP bikes. Japanese manufacturers abandoned four-cylinder engines in this displacement range due to emissions regulations and cost concerns, but Kolov's advanced engineering makes it possible while meeting Euro 5 emission standards. The sophisticated engine features liquid cooling, fuel injection, and advanced engine management with multiple riding modes. The chassis uses a lightweight aluminum frame with high-quality suspension components, including adjustable front and rear units. Braking comes from radial mount calipers with large discs and advanced ABS. While Kawasaki's Ninja 400 and Honda's CBR 500R settle for twin-cylinder compromises that lack soul, the 450R brings back the screaming high-rev experience that made motorcycles legendary. Number 4 roars in with the four-cylinder screaming, But this Moto GP machine just sent Honda and Kawasaki CEOs into crisis mode, and we haven't even revealed its secret weapon yet. The CF Moto 450 SR doesn't just compete with Japanese sport bikes, it completely embarrasses them with technology that belongs on bikes costing twice as much. This 450cc parallel twin produces 50 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque through a sophisticated liquid-cooled engine with ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes. The secret weapon is the aerodynamic package developed in partnership with a Formula One aerodynamics company. The winglets aren't cosmetic additions. They're functional aerodynamic devices that generate 15 kilograms of downforce at 200 kilometers per hour, improving high-speed stability and cornering performance. The fairing design incorporates air ducts that channel cooling air to the engine and brakes, while reducing drag by 12% compared to conventional sport bike fairings. The aerodynamic package includes functional winglets that actually improve high-speed stability, technology borrowed directly from Moto GP racing. The full-color TFT display provides comprehensive information, including lap times, lean angle, and performance data. Additional premium features include quick shifter compatibility, traction control, and cornering ABS. While Kawasaki's Ninja 400 and Yamaha's R3 stick to basic technology, the 450 SR is already racing into the future with Moto GP-inspired features. At number 3, Moto GP tech blew minds. But the real shocker is happening in big bike territory, where Chinese brands are pushing Japan's biggest names right to the edge. The Benda LFC 700 doesn't just beat Japanese cruisers. It completely reinvents what a cruiser can be with a design that looks like it escaped from a science fiction movie. This 680cc inline-4 produces 94 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque through a sophisticated liquid-cooled engine that delivers both power and refinement far beyond traditional cruiser expectations. The inline-4 engine in a cruiser is revolutionary because it provides the smooth power delivery of a touring bike with the distinctive sound of a high-performance engine. The massive 310mm rear tire isn't just for show. It's mounted on a single-sided swing arm that showcases the wheel design while providing the structural rigidity needed for the bike's 200+ kilogram weight. The futuristic bodywork incorporates active aerodynamics with adjustable air vents that optimize cooling and reduce drag. The futuristic design features a massive 310mm rear tire, an aggressive low-slung profile, and bodywork that challenges every convention of cruiser styling. The chassis uses advanced materials with premium Brembo braking components, adjustable suspension, and sophisticated electronics. Performance matches the radical styling with acceleration and handling that embarrasses traditional cruisers. While Yamaha's VMAX and Honda's Rebel 1100 play it safe with traditional designs, the LFC 700 is rewriting what a cruiser can be. If you thought sci-fi cruisers were next level, wait until you see number 2. This European partnership just unleashed. Yamaha and Honda dealers are begging customers to avoid it. Here's where Chinese motorcycles prove they're not just competing, they're winning through strategic partnerships with European engineering giants. The CF Moto 800 MT uses a 799cc parallel twin engine that's actually based on KTM's proven 790 engine technology. You're getting 95 horsepower and 77 Nm of torque with European reliability and performance. The KTM partnership isn't just licensing, it's full technology transfer with CF Moto engineers working directly with KTM's development team in Austria. The engine shares the same bore, stroke, and internal architecture as KTM's LC8C engine, but with CF Moto's own fuel injection mapping and emissions tuning. This means you get proven European performance with Chinese efficiency and pricing, a combination that's terrifying Japanese manufacturers who can't match either the technology or the value proposition. The sophisticated electronics package includes multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control. The 7-inch TFT display provides comprehensive information, including navigation and smartphone connectivity. The chassis features long-travel KYB suspension with 200mm of travel, spoked wheels, and serious ground clearance. While Yamaha's Tenere 700 costs significantly more with fewer features, and Honda's Africa Twin commands premium pricing, the 800 MT delivers proven European engine technology and superior value. At number 1, this luxury destroyer is shaking the industry to its core, proving Chinese brands don't just compete, they dominate and leave Japan behind. The CF Moto 1279cc V-twin features a massive 1279cc V-twin, producing 140 horsepower and 120 Newton-meters of torque through a sophisticated engine designed for effortless highway cruising. The 1250 TRG represents the ultimate evolution of Chinese motorcycle manufacturing, a bike that doesn't just match Japanese luxury touring bikes, but completely surpasses them in every measurable category. The V-twin engine uses advanced materials, including titanium valves and forged pistons, while the transmission features a sophisticated dual-clutch system that provides seamless gear changes. The electronic suspension automatically adjusts damping based on road conditions, load, and riding style, technology that costs extra on even the most expensive Japanese touring bikes. The luxury features are staggering. A massive 12.3-inch TFT touchscreen that rivals luxury cars, premium JBL audio system with multiple speakers, heated seats and grips for cold weather comfort, and adaptive cruise control for highway relaxation. The touring package includes hard luggage with massive capacity, an adjustable windscreen, and comfortable ergonomics designed for all-day riding. The chassis features premium suspension components, advanced braking systems, and comprehensive electronics including multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS. Build quality and attention to detail rival the most expensive European touring bikes with premium materials, excellent fit and finish, and sophisticated engineering throughout. But here's the kicker. It costs a fraction of what Honda charges for similar luxury features on the Goldwing, which lacks many of these advanced technologies as standard equipment. The 1250 TRG isn't just beating Japanese touring bikes, it's completely redefining what luxury touring can be at an accessible price point that makes Japanese pricing look absolutely ridiculous. Which game-changing machine caught your eye? Click the next video now and continue your journey into the future of motorcycling.